I didn't really like my music, and nobody else did either. You gotta love yourself first before anybody else can love you. I wanna thank me. I wanna thank me for, shit, everything I done done. That's mental health.
Failure, it's okay. It's cool to fail because it helps you better yourself on what you're not to do. And you'll be better at it because you've seen it before.
I wanted to speak to myself because I felt like I was the one that did most of the work, and I was the one that, that had to go out on the line and do it and make it happen. So I wanted to give myself some credit because a lot of times we fail to give ourselves a pat on the back, and I wanted to take that moment to thank myself for doing all of the work that I did to get to that point.